Hi guys, this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to make eyeballs from polymer clay. So the first thing you're going to need is some light polymer clay. I'm using Sculpt Primo for this project. You could use a mold for this to make the ball shape, but I'm just going to keep it simple and roll them with my own hands. If you do end up getting dust on them, don't worry about it, we're going to get rid of it before we bake them. Now I like to flatten out the bottom part and reshape the eyeballs. That way when you place them on your project or whatever sculpture you're trying to make, it's going to be a lot easier to attach. Next, you're going to need some glass cabochons. Just place one on the center of the eye and lightly press to create a crease. Now using a small ball tool, I just press into the center to make the pupils. Alright, now it's time to whip out a few colors of acrylic paint. Any color of your choice is fine. I used green and yellow to create a nice green because that's my favorite color. Make sure you have black paint in hand for the pupils and outer ring. We're going to go ahead and start off with the pupils using the tiniest ball tool I have. And now I'm going to carefully fill in the pupil. Next, create that thick ring around the iris. It doesn't have to be perfect at this stage because we're going to go ahead and cover it up with the glass cabochons. Now we're going to wait about an hour until the paint fully dries up. And now we are going to top it off with the glass cabochons. Now I'm going to go ahead and reshape them a little bit. Sometimes they will slide off a little, but you can easily fix that. If you did end up getting a lot of dust on your eyeballs, no worries. All you have to do is get a Q-tip and some alcohol. If you don't have any rubbing alcohol with you, go ahead and use some baby oil. You just gently rub around the eyeballs until you get all that dust off and it's on the Q-tip. During this process, the eyes are going to be a little bit sticky. Now I'm just going to strip some of the red yarn off and attach it to the eyeballs while they're still sticky. This is going to create a realistic eyeball. It's going to make those veins pop like how natural eyes look. And now it's time to bake the eyeballs. So I normally bake my clay projects at around 270 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to be cooking these balls for about 20 minutes. And now here's the final look. I really recommend coating them with resin to make them look ultra realistic, but normally I bake the eyes again and I bake multiple times. I would recommend coating the eyeballs in resin after you bake your project to avoid any toxic fumes that you might inhale. Safety first, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more polymer clay art videos or give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good rest of your day or night. Bye!